how to renew a list on Facebook Marketplace using Facebook Shop. Now, in order to renew a list on Facebook Marketplace, you just simply need to open your Facebook app and go to the Marketplace section from the bottom row. And once you go there, you will see your marketplace. From here, if you look at the top right side of your screen, you are gonna see this icon. Tap into that and it is gonna open your Facebook Marketplace profile. From here, you will see a lot of options and one of them is quick actions under selling. Tap to quick action and now you will see this button of renew directly in order to renew a listing on Facebook Marketplace. Tap to renew button and it will show all of the listings that you have. You just simply need to select the listing which you would like to renew in Facebook Marketplace, and after you select that listing and confirm that you want to renew it, this listing will be renewed in Facebook Marketplace. I hope this video have been informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.